Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi Redmi A1. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to settings and enter security. Now go to screen lock, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, pin and password. Let's start with none, and we are going to use each one of the lock screen passwords to unlock the phone. Now let's set up swipe, next pin, now password, and in the end pattern. Once it's done, we can go back, and unfortunately this phone does not have any biometrics, so we are not able to use a fingerprint or face unlock. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.